like that, and it, dude, I felt it. Look at my fingers.
I believe you. It looks pretty bad. Look how you dropped it and walked away. You could have broke the cup and everything.
Oh my god.
No, you could have.
Oh.
Freaking goober. Hey, you know what? I've shocked myself several times, so I'm glad you got that experience. Man, we're gonna have to grind this shit. That was a cute little finger.